Oh, baby girl, let's go. We're going to the backyard. Thunderman hand. Who's happy? He's a happy man. Happy as he can. What does she see? What do you see, sunshine girl? I just... Are you messing with your brother? You messing with your brother. I like shadows. Shadows are cool. Lily, are you picking a fight? You starting to try and start a fight? Oh, brother and sister. Then we have another brother and sister, Logan and Alita. Hi, Logan. How's your big hair today? Just big. And then we got this little lady destroying my hostas over here. Hey, what are you doing? Woo! Hi. Hi. Find something? Oh, and look, it's Grandma Phoenix in the sandbox. Grandma Phoenix in the sandbox. Yeah! You keeping cool? You keeping cool? Who's trying to chew on my phone? Are you making monkey noises? Alright. Well, nothing like hanging out in the sandbox. Lots of treasures. Lots of puppers. Who's dirty? Dirty! What'd you find? Alright. Phoenix says, Wolfpack.